Hi Bill, today I'm going to show you a new communication board that we can use together during our sessions. This board is designed to help you when you're talking about your rock collection, especially during those moments when the words are hard to find. We're going to use it to make it easier to describe your rocks, ask questions, and tell me what you want to say. I created this board based on what I learned about your strengths and communication needs. I know you're really knowledgeable about geology and you love collecting different types of rocks. I also know that sometimes you get stuck finding the exact word you want, and that can be frustrating. So I chose vocabulary that supports core words, descriptive language, and geology related fringe words. The layout follows a left to right sentence structure to support syntax development. I also used the Fitzgerald key color coding system to help you find the word more quickly. Blue for pronouns, green for verbs, yellow for describing words, and orange for nouns. I put your quick fires and repair phrases. Things like, I can't think of a word, and let me show you, in the top row, so you can access them quickly when communication breaks down. This is a form of brain enhancement and can also support frustration reduction. Now let's take a look at how the board is set up. So first here we have your core words: I, you, it, want, need, found. These help you start your sentences. In the middle, we have describing words such as smooth, shiny, rough, heavy. These are especially helpful when the name of the rock might not just come to you right away. Below that, we have rock-related words: rock, crystal, type, collection, texture. And along the bottom, there are social phrases that you can use when you want to share or ask a question, such as, where did you get that? And can I see it? Now, one of our goals for this therapy will be you will be able to use the AAC board to produce a 3-word description of a rock 80% of the time independently. So when I introduce the board, I'll use aided language stimulation, which means I'll point to the words on the board as I say them. For example, if show me a rock, I might model, I found a shiny rock. This shows you how to combine the words on the board while also hearing the spoken model. Now, let me show you how we might use this in a real activity. Let's pretend you bring me a new rock. I'll say, let's describe together. Then I might model, I found a, then I'll wait for you to pick a describing word, such as maybe smooth or shiny. If you're not sure, I might give you a prompt. First, I'll maybe start with a gesture prompt. I'll point at the describing words rows. Then I might give you a choice prompt, such as, do you want smooth or rough? And then third, I'll directly model it for you. You can say, I found a smooth rock. Now, if you get stuck on finding a word, I'll remind you that you can use the top row. For example, you might tap, I can't think of a word. This tells me I can help you by giving options or maybe showing you a picture. These messages support independence and they'll help you reduce frustration during conversation. Now, this board is just one of the communication tools you can use, and it's meant to give you a quick access to words so you can share your amazing rock collection and communicate confidently. We'll practice using it together in our sessions and also with activities that you enjoy.